Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best car badge adhesives on the market, the 3M Super Strength Molding Tape. Whether you're looking to install side moldings, trim, or emblems on your vehicle, this high-strength double-sided tape is a game-changer. This 3M tape isn't your typical adhesive. It's engineered for durability and reliability, ensuring that your car accessories stay securely attached no matter the conditions. The tape is weather-resistant and can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. No more worrying about your badges or trims peeling off during a rainstorm or in the heat of summer. One of the standout features of this tape is its ease of use. There's no need for any special tools or messy liquid adhesives. Simply cut the tape to the desired length, apply it, and press it in place. That's all it takes to get a strong, permanent bond. Whether you're an automotive DIY enthusiast or just looking for a quick fix, this tape offers a hassle-free solution. The 3M Super Strength Molding Tape features VHB, Very High Bond, technology, which is why it's able to conform to irregular and textured surfaces. It bonds effortlessly to metal, plastic, and even glass. This makes it ideal for a variety of automotive applications like attaching badges, emblems, and moldings without the need for screws or rivets. Not only does it provide a clean and easy application, but it also ensures a smooth and professional-looking finish. No need to deal with unsightly rivets or screws. This tape delivers a sleek, modern look that's strong enough to last. If you're looking for an adhesive that can handle the elements, deliver a firm hold, and give you a flawless finish, the 3M Super Strength Molding Tape is definitely a top contender. It's been trusted by professionals and automotive enthusiasts alike for its performance and ease of use. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car's appearance with ease, this tape is the solution you've been searching for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Stay tuned for more product insights and tips.